Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can draw a rectangle around a text in Microsoft Word. So guys, let's start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word and I have two example here. So I will show you two methods that you can use as per requirement. Okay, so in order to draw box around the text, you need to select that text where we want to draw the box or line. Okay, in first step, okay, so first method we need to go in home. Another paragraph, you can see this border option. Just click that tiny down arrow and go to the border and shading option. Just click on it. Okay, here go to the page, the border only. Here you can select the border style. Okay, here select the box. You can change that border color if you want. Here the change the width. Okay, this is a preview. Okay, and here, okay, so this is a preview. Apply to text only, box, and just click OK. Now you can see the box has been applied. Rectangle box has been drawn around the text. This is the first method. Second method, we need to go to insert. Under the shape, we go to the shape, go to this rectangle shape, and here you need to draw the rectangle shape like this. Okay, now just come here, just click on the layout and just click on this behind the text. Okay, now just double click on that double click on that shape, or you can right click on go to the format shape. Here under the fill line, go to the no fill. Okay, so it will be remove your that color, shape color. Here the line, you can choose that solid line. Here the color you can change of your line. Here the width. Okay, you can increase the thickness of this line. Here the style you can change. Here the dash line, if you want dash line you can make it, and you can also change color to red if you want. Okay, after done, just come back. Now you can see the text, the round box has been drawn around your text. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.